Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about BB creams. BB creams, as we all know, provide light to medium coverage or low to medium coverage and are used in place of foundations whenever we want our base to be corrected and want to hide certain flaws of our skin, but we do not want a very cakey or a very heavy kind of effect on the face. That is when we use BB creams or CC creams. They are a little different. So BB cream, like CC cream is color correction, BB cream, as they say, is for brightness. But ultimately, as far as I understood, they mostly serve the same purpose. So I'm going to treat them the same way as well. I mostly use BB creams instead of foundations also because I do not like the heavy effect of foundation on my face. Of course, BB creams are really good for everyday wear, for office wear, or for college. If you need just a light bit of coverage, let's say a base that you require, but you don't want to apply foundation, that is BB creams serve that purpose. So I'm going to talk about the top 5 BB creams in my opinion that are available in Indian markets. I'll start with the Pond's BB cream. This is the Pond's BB cream. This is the packaging that it comes in. Mostly all of these BB creams come in this kind of a tube-like packaging only. This is the all-in-one BB Plus Fairness Cream SPF 30. So most of the BB creams also have an SPF with it. This is 9 gram for 75 bucks. So this is actually my favorite BB cream. That's why I started it the first also. They do not, Pond's BB cream does not have any shade. It just has like a natural shade. I will be showing you like, I don't know if we can't call it a swatch, but I'll be showing you, the texture of it. So this is the BB cream. If you apply it, so this is the kind of cream that it is. And I will show like it definitely blends very well on this on the skin as well. So which is why I love it. Somehow for my complexion, the Pond's BB creams works like wonders. And it does not get very cakey also on the skin. So I'm actually rubbing the BB cream. As you can see, it more or less is absorbed in the skin, and it is also giving a very good bright effect to the skin. So this is what BB creams accomplish, which is why this one, Pond's one, is my favorite. Somehow Pond's one did not cause me any breakouts also, which I got with other BB creams. So as similar to foundations, BB creams also cause certain breakouts if they do not like suit your skin. So secondly, I'll be talking about the Garnier BB cream. So this is the Garnier BB cream. It comes in this kind of a beige kind of a packaging. This also does not have any shades available. This comes in only one natural kind of a shade. This is the Beauty Benefit or Daily All-in-One Moisturizer with SPF 24 and PA+++. So this, it claims that it is specially designed for Indian skin tone. I have heard very good reviews also of the product, but somehow it didn't work very well for me because it caused me certain breakouts, which was the only problem I had. So this is the texture. As you can see, it's a little bit more liquidy than the Pond's cream. So this is the texture. I'll also give you how it's looking on my hand. So this is the area where I applied Pond's. This is the area where I'm applying Garnier. So this is a this has a very liquidy texture to it. Many of my friends actually swear by it as their favorite BB cream, though it caused me certain breakouts, but the smell of Garnier BB cream is pretty nice. So as you can see, this also blends in the skin pretty well. And I have seen girls with olive complexion also using this, and it blends very well with them as well. So I guess complexion is not a problem for both Pond's and for Garnier. Next, I'll go to, let's say, Lakme BB cream. So this is how the packaging of the Lakme CC cream or complexion care cream is. This is SPF 20. Now, as most of you would know if you're following me on my channel, that I did not like this BB cream. This was cakey. This caused me breakout. This caused me all sorts of problems that a foundation or BB cream can cause. But for many of my friends out there, my subscribers, and also my friends in my other life, let's say, or my colleagues and everybody, they many of them actually love this BB cream. So that's why it is a CC cream, but I'll still okay, we'll call it CC cream. So this is their favorite holy grail kind of a product. So I'll actually give you, this is how it's looking. The complexion, rather the consistency is very similar to the Pond's BB cream only. It's not very liquidy. It's actually like, what shall I say, it has a pretty drying effect. So I used to use it with a moisturizer only, but still it didn't really work for me. So I'm actually giving you this also blends very well. Like, blending is actually the best in Lakme CC cream compared to, you know, Pond's or Garnier. Like, you can see it has completely blended with my skin, but somehow my skin it didn't suit my skin. That's why I don't use it. Lakme comes, I guess, in 2 colors. So they have a color of nude and beige. So this is beige. No, they have bronze and beige, sorry. So they have bronze and beige color. This is beige, and for olive skin tones, bronze is the color. So this was like the swatch for it. I'll link down the prices below because in many of the packaging the prices is not written. Next, I'll go to Maybelline BB cream. So this is the Maybelline Bright Benefit or BB cream. This comes in 3 shades: nude, natural and beige. So I'm in the color natural. So this is SPF 21 as well, and PA+++, which is great. So all the BB creams give you sun protection as well, which is a great option. But I still use a sunscreen, you know, below the BB cream because I don't feel, you know, this is enough, the SPF that they mention. Because I anyways use a little bit of a product only. We use like very little of the BB cream. That's why you should use a sunscreen above it. This was actually the first BB cream that I started using as well, because I guess it was introduced the first in the market, post which I guess Lakme was introduced. This is a very nice cream. Before Pond's, this used to be my favorite cream until I found Pond's and I started using it. So this is also very good for, you know, evening your skin tone, also give you a certain brightness. This is the what shall I say, consistency. This is also very liquidy, similar to the Garnier BB cream. I'll also swatch, like give you this. I'll call it swatches only, please bear with me. So this, as you can see, it has a very liquidy kind of an consistency. One thing which is very good with liquid BB creams is they give you certain bit of moisture because of the oil that they have, while the drier creams do not give you the moisture desired. So you have to use a moisturizer beneath it. So this, as you can see, this is also giving a very nice brightening effect. As you can see, Pond's has evened out. Garnier is giving a little bit of a white or a brighter feeling to it. Lakme has completely, you know, washed off, and this is Maybelline, which is also giving a little bit of brightness to the skin tone. Actually, where all these 4 creams even out on the skin, but I guess for me Pond's gives the maximum brightness, so that's why I use it. But I like all of them except what shall I say, Lakme, which cause a certain bit of breakouts. The fifth one I would be reviewing is Inveda. So this is the Inveda BB cream. This is, I guess, a new addition in the market, like new compared to the other BB creams that are available. And I would not be giving you any swatch or consistency test for it because I have already reviewed it on my channel. So I will link it on the screen, my review on the screen, and you have to go and watch that for me, please. Talking about my mini review of it, I liked this Pond's I would rank it just below the Pond's BB cream because I really like the coverage that it offered. It does not offer too much. Low to medium is what it offers, but it actually evens out very well on the screen, on the skin. I'm saying on the screen, and above it, it has a very good fragrance, and the most important benefit of it is that it is paraben free. So this is like a really big thing. This also has SPF 20 and this is for fair color. So I guess this has 2 shades, fair and olive is what I know. So fair or neutral or fair and olive is what they have. This is paraben free, which is what, you know, gives it a very complete edge over the other 4 BB creams. But again, it gives low to medium coverage, and the glow is also not too much which it gives. But I'll not be giving you a swatch, I'll be nasty. Please go and see the Inveda BB cream review for a very detailed review on the same. So these were my 5 BB creams that I have tried out. Please tell me if you've tried any other BB cream which is available in India and maybe, you know, I've not been able to try it out. And how was your review on it? Do tell me which is your favorite BB cream out of all these 5. And for all the people out there, Pond's being my favorite. Secondly, I would rate Inveda. For me, this is my personal review of it, how it suited my skin. Your skin can be completely different, so I would rate it as Pond's, Inveda and Garnier, like on the second thing, and third would be Maybelline, and fourth I would say is Lakme CC cream because it didn't suit me. To many people it suits. I have tried it with a moisturizer, without a moisturizer. all sorts of permutations I have tried on the Lakme one, but it just does not suit me. So I guess these were all 5 BB creams that we had. Do let me know which is your favorite one by commenting down below. Please do like the video if you actually liked it, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.